Mrs. Jane Clark is 54 years old and she entered menopause when she was 50 years old. It is the third time she does screening. From those it results that she has a breast density classified as a CRC. From previous exam on bone densitometry it results in the Medaltronica Cybele multimodal machine is an advanced diagnostic solution designed for comprehensive breast cancer investigations. Combining state-of-the-art technology, it integrates ultrasound, mammography, biopsy, and bone density testing into a single, efficient system. This all-in-one approach enhances diagnostic accuracy and streamlines patient care, allowing healthcare professionals to perform multiple critical tests with precision. The Cybele machine's versatility and reliability make it an invaluable tool in early detection, treatment planning, and ongoing monitoring of breast cancer and related health conditions. We will start off with the breast ultrasound. Please lie down so that we can start the procedure. Please check the test results on the screen. Now we will perform breast mammography. We will take 2 projections. Please check the test results on the screen. Now we need to perform prone biopsy in order to evaluate the lesion type. During the prone biopsy exam, a needle device is used to sample the targeted breast area, to then be analyzed with histopathology. Please check the test results on the screen. Okay, now let's check your bone densitometry. Please place your hand on the Potter. Through an X-ray shot, we will be able to evaluate with the aid of artificial intelligence the risk to osteoporosis in advance. Please check the test results on the screen. Thank you for using Cybele machine to perform various tests for your patient.